Hey everybody. I want it to go here every single time. There we go. Hey, I'll wait for a few minutes and see if we get any people to come hang out. I am in my new place. I'm still in the process of unpacking, but I'll get there. I still work full time, so trying to get it in and then still have time to unwind can be a little much. Hey, Karen. Alrighty. I got the April whiff box. Now, don't forget, it's $30 if you get it just the one time. And you can order it once a month and you want, hi, Melissa. Or you get a Scentsy Club subscription, and when you have a $60 worth of stuff before taxes and stuff, you get the whiff box for 50% off, so $15. Now that's a good deal. And there's always at least $35 worth of stuff in it. Last month's was all cleaning supplies. It was great. Full-size bottles of cleaning supplies. This month, let's see what we got. It's heavy. I know that. Alright. Oh, first we get the little explanation thing. It's always a cute box. See? Great for use other thing. Let's see. Today will be a good day. It's got a little booklet with daily affirmations. I deserve good things. I am enough. I choose peace. Look for joy. Nice things to try to cheer you up. On the back is a little story. It says, sometimes we get so wrapped up in work, keeping the house in order, and tending to the needs of others, that we forget to take care of ourselves. Your April whiff box is all about self-care. The enclosed products are intended to help you relax, reduce stress, and create a spa-like environment whenever you want, because you can use all the little because we can all use a little zen every now and then. I love how they explain these. It's so nice. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, we got a scent circle. This one I got is lavender cotton. Oh, we got a sample of the scent of the month. This month's scent is so good. It's Plumeria. I'm not sure about pronunciation, but peach. And oh my gosh, I just love this. This is melting in my house right now. The peach is very nice. Let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, we got some Now and Zen hand cream. This is a very good scent. I like this. This is pretty much an all our body product, including the fragrance spray. The body mist, I like that stuff. See what else we got. Oh, we got a sand swept room spray. Oh, I like that. Sand swept. That's pretty nice. The scents could vary depending on the box, but you pretty much get the same thing as most people for the box every month. They make themes and do it around a theme. Oh, and then we got the 2-pound bag of Scentsy soak. This stuff is great, and this one's in Luna. This has got Himalayan pink salt in it, plus Epsom salt. And it helps soothe away your tired muscles and everything. Detoxes your body. I absolutely love this. Now that I have a bathtub, I've been using a lot of Scentsy soak. Oh, and we get a sample of next month's scent of the month in a little cup. And there's enough in there to plop it right into a warmer, too. Ooh, it's called Palm Trees and Ocean Breeze. Very fresh scent. Okay, I like that. That's very soothing. And that is the April 2021 whiff box. Pretty good deal. Also, for my local ladies, if you live local to me, and would like to smell all the samples of the scents that I have, you're welcome to contact me, and we can set it up so you can come over to my place and try my scent, or I can try to meet you somewhere. I do not drive, but I am willing to walk over and meet you for, somewhere, coffee, whatever. So you can smell this is all the new scents for the spring summer catalog for 2021. They're all right here. And you can smell them, decide what you like, what you don't like, make a list. Oh yeah, I want that. Got to put that one in my club, that kind of thing. And as always, remember, your best bet, if there is a scent that you absolutely love and you want to guarantee to get it, to make yourself a Scentsy club. That way you can get it, even if nobody else wants that scent, they will still make it for you. You don't have to get it every month. You can get it every 2 months or every 3 months. You can also have 2 or 3 different setups, so they come, different times. Always check out my clearance tab. They're always adding something good there. We have a lot of limited time offers coming up and pre-sales. So keep an eye out for those, and make sure you sign up for those pre-sales as soon as you can. They're pretty much usually a $10 deposit, and then a couple months later you'll get an email, and then you'll pay the rest, the balance, and then they'll let you know when they're shipping it out. That way you have a better chance of getting a product, especially when it's a limited time product, because sometimes those sell out within half an hour or 10 minutes even, especially like Star Wars, things like that. And there might be a few things coming very, very soon, so you might want to keep an eye out on my page. Are there any questions for you all that are still listening? Anything you want to ask about or want to learn about? And if you watch this on replay, feel free to send me a message anytime, and I will do my best to get right back to you as soon as possible and try to answer your questions as best I can. And thank you again for being such great customers. And you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.